Dear connections, today we will discuss about one important Power BI trick, that is how to create a dynamic tooltip using the text box option of Power BI. And you will get client requirement based on this frequently in your real life project also. So let's jump into my Power BI. In my Power BI, you can see I took a table visual, and there I took product ID, product name, order status, and customer name from the from a data set. Okay, I created this fictional supply chain management data set, and here all are column. Only I created a measure. The measure is like if any customer ordered greater than 200 quantity, like he or she ordered greater than 200, greater than or equals to 200, then he or she is our premium customer, otherwise not. So this is basically the logic. Now let me show you my notepad plus plus. So this is basically the client requirement, like there should be a title called overview data, then product id, then product name, then order status, then there should be a line, like all these are dynamic. Okay, whenever I will hover on any data, it will show that it will change dynamically. So this customer name is also dynamic, and this is basically that measure which will print the yes or no if he or she is premium customer or not. So here, to create it, I have to take a new page. Now I need to declare this page canvas as a tooltip. So I create it as a tooltip. Now I will select on this text box option. Now the heading will be overview data. Now, at first, let me tell you that in the text box option, some works are already ongoing, so I may take a different type of approach to print it. Okay, so yeah, so if I print now, I need to print product ID at first. Product ID. Now I will click on this plus sign. Product ID. Click on this save button. Product ID is printed. Now I will print product name. Product name. Now I will print name. See here, basically if you type any word, they will show you a suggestion. This is a AI generated solution of Microsoft. So we need product name. So I will select product name, then I will click on save button. See, product name also printed. Very good. Now we need order status data. So here at first I will type order status. Then here I will type only status. Oops, status. Wait a minute, I think it is taking another status. So let me type the whole word order status. See, order status is coming. So I will click on it, then I go to save button. See, order status is printed. Now the dynamic sentence will come. At first we need to print customer name, then is our premium customer or not. Then I will print customer name. Let's say name. If I type name, yeah, customer name is coming. Say is our premium customer. Question mark. Premium customer. Question mark. And what I should print y slash n in first bracket. Y slash n in first bracket, then colon symbol, then I need to print the measure. See, all these are columns, we can incorporate measure also. So what is the measure? Then the measure name is premium customer, so I will type only premium. See, premium customer, then click on save. See, it is printed. Let me give a double quotation if it is allowed. Yes, double quotation is allowed, and there should be a colon in the customer data, and it will be in on bold. So see, our dynamic tooltip is created. Now we need to connect this tooltip with page 1 where our visual is there. I will click on this particular visual, then I will go here. Here in the search bar just type tooltip. See, tooltip options came. Here it will be report pages. Then in the page 2 you need to select because it is present the page 2. If you want, you can rename this page name also. Now click on outside. Now if you hover on it, see, overview data, product ID is P004, then it is product 2, order status is dispatched, and Elizabeth Lopez is not our premium customer. Like this way it is changing. See, for Angelina Harry, she is our premium customer. Yes, she is our premium customer. So tooltip is very much needed for non-technical stakeholders who don't want to be accustomed with the technical things. Like they just need the output. They will see a customized, summarized view using the tooltip, and they can take the business decision as per their needs. Okay. So like this way, you need to create the dynamic tooltip. So that's all about this video. In my next video, I will show you another. As I already told that a bug is ongoing in this text box option. So sometimes this text box option is not working. So in that case, what you need to do, I will show you in my next video. So till then, bye bye. Thank you.